Economics and accounting are all about decision making. Economics seeks to understand how people make decisions, accounting seeks to provide information to support decisions. And as you study the subject, it will become clearer to you just how much they impact all aspects of life.
I really wanted to come to Bristol because it was a very prestigious university. Also, the employability ranking. That meant that when I'm done with my course, I would be very, very advantaged and it would help me in my future career. I like economics because of the different economic concepts that we learn and the analytical skills it gives me. And I like accounting because of the systematic arithmetic that we do. What I've enjoyed the most so far is my Principles of Finance module. It taught me about financial markets, taught me about risk and rewards. It has given me skills that I can use day to day, because now I trade by myself. I just thought it was a very insightful module that's giving me these skills.
Our economics colleagues and our accounting and finance colleagues collaborate very closely to produce this. It's a genuinely integrated programme. Understanding one reinforces the other. For example, we'll bring economics into the way that we approach tax system design, into the way that we understand income and profits. Our programme gives you the option to add a year as a professional placement year or for study abroad. For me, some of the more interesting units are the economy. That very much takes a real-world approach to the study of economics. It starts off looking at issues of inequality, of climate change, of politics and policy, seeking to understand how it is that people are making decisions. What you can choose will depend very much upon what interests you. So if you're interested in aspects of psychology, maybe you would want to choose a unit in behavioural finance. If you want to choose units that will give accreditation from professional exams, you could choose taxation and auditing.
The career services kind of set your course from the minute you arrive here to attain the certain job that you want at the end of the course. They also provide opportunities themselves. Sometimes they work with banks to provide talks and workshops that could help you. I went for a career CV workshop and I thought it was very insightful. It actually allowed me to kickstart my internship search.
We're fortunate in that the top employers actively seek to recruit from Bristol. They understand the rigour of the programme. I'd say a majority of our students go on to work in accounting or financial services, for example, with one of the big four accounting firms. Many go into investment banking or management consultancy. And there's a whole variety of other careers, usually related to people's degrees.
So when I first came to Bristol, I was really shy and reserved. I was afraid of going into lectures because I thought I wouldn't make any friends easily. But everyone was really welcoming. So now I have friends that we go out together, we go to lectures together. Bristol is a very special city. It's a melting pot of different cultures. It's very vibrant, colourful and creative. Honestly, everyone at Bristol is wonderful.